नमस्कार. 11th मॅथ्स मेड इझी या चॅनलमध्ये आपले परत एकदा सहर्ष स्वागत. आज आपण 11वी मॅथ्स पार्ट 1 मधला सर्कल या चॅप्टरबद्दल काही पॉईंट्स डिस्कस करणार आहोत. सपोज CH, K is the center of the circle, R is the radius of the circle, and P, X, Y is any point on the circle. Then how to develop an equation of such circle? Okay. If we join this C and P, then this CP becomes radius, and radius is given as R. Therefore, distance between CP or length CP is equal to R. We know the coordinates of C, that is center of the circle H, K, and P, which is on the circle X, Y. Then applying distance formula, by using distance formula, we get under root of x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to R. Squaring both sides, we get x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to R square. This form is called as center radius form, because in this form both the coordinates of center h and k are used, as well as the radius of the circle R is also used. Therefore, this form is called center radius form. Now, second form. Suppose center of the circle is at origin and radius is R. Then what is the equation of such circle? Okay. Now, by using this formula, center radius formula, in place of h and k, if we use 0, 0, h is 0, k is 0, because center is 0, 0, then we get x square plus y square is equal to R square. This form is known as standard form or standard equation of a circle. Okay. That means if we know the center and the radius of the circle, we can derive the equation of circle by using center radius form. X minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to R square. If the origin is the center of the circle, then x square plus y square is equal to R square, which is the standard form. Now, just try to solve the example. Exercise 6.1, question number 1, sub question 2. Find the equation of circle where center is minus 3, 2 and radius is 6. Now, here h is equal to minus 3, k is equal to minus 2 and R is equal to 6. By using center radius formula, we get x minus 3, that is x plus 3 bracket square, plus y minus 2, that is x plus 2 bracket square, is equal to 6 square, that is 36. Open this bracket. X square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 36. Rewrite this equation. Always start from highest power to lowest power. Then it becomes x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y. Shift this plus 36 to left side. Minus 36 plus 9 and 4, that is 13. Minus 36 plus 13, that is minus 23. Therefore, final answer is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 23. Now, there is second question. Question number 4 of same question. Find the equation of circle which center at minus 3 comma 3 and passing through the point minus 3 comma minus 6. Suppose the rough diagram of such circle is like this. Center is minus 3 comma minus 3 and point P minus 3 comma minus 6. If we join this CP, then it becomes radius. Therefore, radius is equal to, by using distance formula, under root of minus 3 plus 3 bracket square plus minus 3 plus 6 bracket square, which is nothing but 3 units. Radius is 3 units. We know the center coordinates of the center. We know the radius of the circle. Then by using center radius formula, which is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square, we get x plus 3 bracket square plus y plus 3 bracket square is equal to 9. Open this bracket. After opening this bracket, we will get this equation: x square plus y square plus 6x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Okay, we can cross check this answer. If you substitute x and y as minus 3 and minus 6, which are the coordinates of point P, which is on the circle, then put x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 6. Here left side becomes 0. 0 is equal to 0. That means LHS is equal to RHS, which gives the correct clarification of this answer. Now in question 2, third sub questions, they have given the equation of the circle: x minus half bracket square plus y plus 1/3 bracket square is equal to 1 upon 36. Now compare this equation with center radius form: x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. By comparing this, you will get h is equal to half, k is equal to minus 1/3, r is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, center coordinates are 1 half comma minus 1/3. Radius is 1 upon 6. That means if you know the exact formulae or exact form of the circles, you can directly derive the equation of circle, or if you have given equation of circle, then you can derive the coordinates of the center as well as radius of the circle. Okay. Now, next interesting concept. Suppose a circle having center C, H, K touches x-axis. Then in this case, the radius of the circle is always modulus of y coordinate of center. Why this modulus? Because we know that radius is the distance between center and the one point on the circle, and radius is never negative because it is length. That's why we use modulus of y coordinate of center. If circle touches x-axis, circle touches y-axis, then radius is equal to mod of x coordinate of center. Modulus always gives positive value. If circle touches both the axes, then here this distance from center to y-axis and distance from center to x-axis is always equal. That means the coordinates of the center x coordinate and y coordinate contain same digit. It may change signs. It depends upon the position of center, which is either first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. If first quadrant is there, center lies on in first quadrant, then both are positive. If center lies in second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. If center lies in third quadrant, this quadrant, then both are negative. If center lies in fourth quadrant, then x is positive, y is negative. In such case, radius is equal to, in such case, radius is equal to mod of either x coordinate of center or y coordinate of center, anyone, because both are always same, only the signs are may be different. Okay, now there is a one question number 3, first part. If center of the circle is a comma b and it touches y axis, then what is the equation of the circle, such circle? Here radius is a. Why? Because circle touches y axis, that means radius is equal to modulus of b, modulus of a. Therefore radius is a. By using center radius form, we know the coordinates of the center, we know the radius x minus h plus y bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. This is a center radius form. Here h is nothing but a and k is nothing but b and radius is a. Use this formula, apply the values a, b here, you will get final answer x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2by plus b square is equal to 0. Okay. You may consider another situation also. Same center, but instead of now y axis, if circle touches x axis, then what? Same process. Now here radius becomes b. Radius becomes b. Apply the same center radius form and you will get the equation of the circle. That means if you know the right format or right formula, you know, if you know the procedure for each part, then you can easily solve that particular question. त्यामुळे इथे तुम्हाला फॉर्मॅट्स ओळखता येणं आवश्यक आहे आणि ते फॉर्मॅट्स ॲप्लायसुद्धा करता यायला पाहिजेत. तर हे फॉर्मॅट्स व्यवस्थित स्टडी करा. ते फॉर्मॅट्स ॲप्लाय करण्यासाठी प्रॅक्टिस करण्यासाठी एक्झरसाईजमधली सम जी आहे ती सॉल्व करा स्वतःहून. म्हणजे तुमचं दोन्ही गोष्टी ॲट अ टाईम होतील, फॉर्मॅट्स पण क्लिअर होतील आणि त्याचं ॲप्लिकेशन पण क्लिअर होईल. तर हे सर्कलच्या सुरुवातीचे काही पॉईंट्स आहेत. अजून सर्कलचे वेगवेगळे फॉर्मॅट्स आहेत, त्यांचे ॲप्लिकेशन्स आहेत, ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये बघू. तर आज आपण इथेच थांबूया. ओके, थँक्यू.